So hey everyone, this is my new video. In this video, I will be telling about RAG and vector databases. We will be going step by step, and I will explain you what both of these things are and how we use in our AI, in our Gen AI tools, and which can make our tools, which can make our agents very good, very faster, and fine tuned as well. Okay, what is RAG? RAG, simply the full form is retrieval augmented generation. Just this is for the overview. I will tell what is RAG personally is. Suppose you are having an AI model like ChatGPT and you want that it is trained upon your personal data set. If you want to train your LLM, that is a large language model, to your personal data, suppose you give a PDF, suppose you give out yourself, and you want to get answers according to that PDF, according to dataset that you provided, then we use RAG model. Simply, suppose you are using ChatGPT and you are asking ChatGPT questions. The question that you are asking ChatGPT will answer you worldwide. That is general. That the answer that you give. These are general questions. These are worldwide asked, or these are worldwide. The data is being trained. But now the thing is, if you want to train that model, not I would not say train that model, just you want the answers according to your results, according to your data, personal data, then you can use a RAG. So simply, with RAG you can get personalized answers. With RAG you can see the data and generate a answer according to data set. I told you, you don't need to retrain or fine tune your LLM model every time. You don't need to go and train the LLM model again and again, so that you can get the answer. So you can see a high level overview. Suppose you passing a you are, suppose leave this part, retrieval documents, leave the retrieval document part first. Suppose you pass a prompt and there is a language model and you get a response at the end. So this is a simple process. Now if in between you provide a RAG, that is a retrieval document, suppose you give a PDF, so prompt will be asked, just your data will be just your data will be answered upon the data set that you provided, that is a PDF itself. So it will give the response accordingly. So I hope you got the high level overview what is a RAG. So now move to vector databases. So why vector databases are preferred? uh, Vector database, you might know about the earlier databases, that is the normal databases that we use, that is SQL and MongoDB databases. Why we don't use that? Why we use vector databases? It is because vector databases have some advantages over SQL and MongoDB database. I will tell you later. Just have this vector databases internally uses the power of embeddings. Just keep this in mind. Let's go forward and deal with vector database now. Okay. Suppose when you search in Google, uh, suppose employees in Amazon and the Amazon rainforest, both of them is having different aspects. Suppose you search Amazon, both will come. Suppose you search employees in Amazon, so you can see there is no such point that employees in rainforest. So it is not like the perfect embedding that is being passed. Okay, leave this. Suppose Google sees it. Suppose Google see your query. It is not like that Google see it and will fetch the query according to the words that you provide. It uses a algorithm known as semantic search. Semantic search simply uses the concept of embeddings. It will simply take your embeddings and try to match with the column, with the bucket that is having, using some hashing function. It will use that hashing function and it will try to match that embedding upon that bucket, and from that bucket it will try to help you retrieve the answers. Suppose you have an Amazon website, you have an Amazon rainforest, you have a Flipkart website. These are the vector embeddings that is made upon. Suppose weather, revenue, water, greenery, stocks. These are the parameters that upon the vector embeddings is being made. Suppose Amazon website is 189. Just upon the numbers you can see, upon if you see about Amazon website, Weather, 1, very low. Flipkart is 1, very low. Flipkart is also a website. Rainforest, Amazon rainforest, that is 90 because of the weather. Yeah, weather will be there. It is good weather, so it is accordingly. So these are, you can see. Take 5-10 seconds. You can have a look. I will wait for you. You can see the revenue. You can see the water. You can see the greenery. See if you see about the greenery. Greenery in rainforest 99. So very close. So these are the so if you search greenery in Amazon, it will never show you Amazon website or Flipkart website. It will show you Amazon rainforest or any other rainforest. It is like that. So these are embeddings. So you can see, if you search employees, it will give you employees of Amazon or Flipkart or Apple, but it will never show Amazon rainforest as an answer. So simply it is making an embedding, and it is matching the embedding with the in that bucket that is similar to this aspects, that is matching that the vector embeddings is matching to that bucket. Suppose you have vector embeddings. Suppose you are typing a query, Amazon employees in Amazon's. Internally it will make a embedding, vector embedding it will make upon that characters of the words that you have provided. After that is made, it will be using a hashing function. In that hashing function, it will match with the bucket itself which vector embedding matches the most. So in that bucket it will try to retrieve the answer. So how this vector databases work, and why it is used over MongoDB and SQL. Because of the advantages of that: faster search. Because if you do SQL and you store like embeddings one by one, it will linear search one by one with the embedding. It will take time, and in MongoDB as well. And storing things in optimized way, because it is using a concept of bucket. It is not using an array or any data set to store that. Simply it is using a bucket, matching the bucket with that particular embedding and fetching the result. So this was all about the video. In this video we learned about RAG and vector databases. In the next video we will be learning, diving deep into the code part as well. Just it's an overview how these both works, how these both uh, works internally, what is RAG, what is vector databases, and these are most two important concepts that is being used in the AI, agentic AI, Gen AI, and all these things. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and for more updates. Bye bye guys.